can all agree that certain sounds, like screams and horror movie music, are scary. But why do they make us afraid? One idea is that we evolved to associate some types of sounds with danger. When our primate relatives see predators, they make high-pitched and distorted alarm calls to warn their friends and family. Human screams, which are also high-pitched and distorted, may trigger the same danger feelings that those calls do. Another aspect of sound that seems to trigger fear is dissonance. While a musical chord is made up of notes that harmonize nicely and causes people to feel calmer, intervals which contain notes that clash uncomfortably can cause listener anxiety and, well, fear. Finally, a sound can be scary simply because it's out of place. The light creaking of footsteps isn't scary at all, unless you think you're alone. Put all those sounds together, and you have a recipe for some serious fright.